Hi everyone, a very warm welcome to Hiatuz channel. When I was preparing for GATE, I did not feel like applying for the GATE when the time came. That was because the entire day I was so busy studying, I was so into revising or practicing problems that keeping my brain, using my brain for something apart from that felt like a huge task. And for the same reason, I thought I will make it, if you're also feeling the same way, then I thought I will make this job a little bit easier for you. The trick is basically to familiarize yourself with the process before you actually start doing it. Okay, so that will make it seem like a much smaller task. Now, I will give you a list of things that you will be needing for the application of GATE. Apart from your personal details, right? Your name, your house address, and everything, you will anyways know. The very first thing I would recommend you to have is an email ID whose password you do remember. Okay, so these days our email IDs, they are logged into our mobiles, and if in case we lose our mobile, then the recovery becomes difficult if you don't remember your password. So if you don't remember your password, just make a new email ID and apply for GATE through that. Okay, the second thing that you need is phone number. That is anyways you will have. And the third thing that you will need is your college pin code and address. Okay, and also remember to have your college registration number. And finally, the most important things, your passport picture, your color passport picture, your signature, your photo ID, a valid photo ID. Your photo and your signature, they can be in JPG format, but photo ID should be in PDF format. So just keep these ready before you start applying for GATE. And of course, the fee, whichever fee is applicable for you depending on your gender and your category, right? So please keep that amount also available. This is basically the list of things that you will need. I hope that this is going to make things a little bit simpler for you. And please note that the last date for application is 24th September 2021. Don't keep it till the last date. There will be an extended date wherein you can apply with a late fee, but just try to apply well before that. Okay. The EMFT and power system lectures are fully available, and electrical machines has also opened up. You can check out the schedule and all of the topics that we are giving without paying any fees, and then you can think of purchasing the courses. Hope this video was of help to you. Thank you very much.